What do we have here? Hey everyone, it's Rebecca. Welcome to my channel. Today we are unboxing the 2022 Stylevana Advent Calendar. I'm so excited. Thank you so much to Stylevana for sending this to me. This video isn't sponsored, but this was gifted. There are only a limited number of these available. The theme for this year's calendar is Find Your Beautiful Self. So if this is a present for yourself, this is full of valued well over their retail price. I have a link, I have codes, follow them below. A couple things. So this is an unboxing of an advent calendar, and you know how those work. So if you don't want to be spoiled for the surprise, but you want this calendar, then stop the video right now, go down to my description box and put your order in, and then just, you know, like watch this later. But if you love to know what's in it and you want to explore it with me, then please continue to watch, and yeah, this will be fun. I don't know what's in here, but I did last year's, and there were full-size products, both skincare, hair and body, makeup. Amazing. It's amazing. Stylevana is a fabulous K-beauty website. They have everything. They have great deals. They carry some of my favorite products, like of all time, like SPF, powder, eyebrow pencils, gel liners. Like, it's incredible. All right, let's get to it. First one, number one. So I will try to do this as efficiently and speedily as possible while giving you guys enjoyment, but also not taking forever, because there's 24 items. Okay. This is the Centella Ampoule. It's a lightweight gel. It's a moisturizing serum with Hyaluronic from Madagascar. That's incredible. I think I mentioned this last year, but one of the things I love about this is if you think there's a product in here that isn't quite for you, or you are feeling generous, these make great gifts. So obviously gifting the calendar to someone would be fabulous, but if you wanted to piece it out and keep some for yourself and give some to girlfriends or nieces, that would be fantastic, right? Number two. So these are the Fruitya. We have two Fruitya little hydrating creams in here. This is the Blueberry Hydrating Cream and the Blueberry Intensive Hydrating Cream. These are travel sizes. The cutest little pots. Are you kidding me, right? So Fruitya is such a fun K-beauty line. This is the Blueberry Moisture, another gel. Actually, it's not very scented, so that's great. On the second day of Christmas, my true love gave to me two Fruitya creams. Oh, number three, right there. This is Etude Fixing Tint. Oh, look at that. I'm gonna swatch it right here. Oh, that's such a pretty nude. Oh. These lip products from them are so long lasting and so lightweight. I love them. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. This is the COSRX. This is the Propolis Honey Overnight Mask. I have this. I love this. This smells like honey. This soothes the skin, heals the skin, helps your skin's barrier. Oh. There it is. It's like a gel. You can see it's just a gel mask. You can use this as a mask when you get ready in the morning, of course, or you can use it overnight as suggested. Yeah, it doesn't have a fragrance. It just, in fact, it smells less like honey this time around. 5 gold rings. Let's see here. Oh, okay, so we have Blackhead Out Sheet. Concern, blackheads, benefit, remove blackheads. A pore care sheet pack. What? Melt and remove. This is full size again. Wow. What do? I like how that's safety sealed. Then there's tweezers. Aha. So this is just, these are pads for blackhead. That's great. 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 is 96 Elastox Hand Ampoule. It's a hand cream. I was like, what? My mama's gonna like, you guys remember last year when my mom was like, when are you gonna give me my goodies from your Advent calendar? So this is Pestle and Road, hand ampoule, essential ingredients and function. Ooh, golly. It's lightweight gel. I feel like everything's been like lightweight gel. Okay, 7. Fresh Pink Peach Hand Cream. This is adorable. This is like giant. This would be great for a teacher. You want to gift it? I don't know why I think of a teacher and hand cream. Oh my gosh. Oh, that's delicious. Okay. Esfolio. I don't think I've heard of that brand. Here we are, 8. Lucky number 8. Ooh, this is called a Real Barrier Extreme Lip Repair. Oh, that is amazing. Skin barrier function. Strengthens weakened skin barrier with MLE Real Barrier formula. Oh, fabulous. Look at that. Oh, I see. You can put it directly on. I'm just gonna kind of put it. Oh, it's a nice thick balm. Number 9. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. This is a mist. This is called Haru Haru Wonder Black Bamboo Mist. It is vegan. Oh, I'm so excited. It is made with bamboo extract. Gosh, beta glucan. We love beta glucan. Do you know how moisturizing beta glucan is? It's very moisturizing. This is a fresh scent, like maybe a little bit of lavender. I love how the K-Beauty brands have like a parts per molecule, ppm, on their ingredients sometimes, so you know how much you're getting of a specific ingredient, whether it's Cica, whether it's Centella. It's like it's got an actual how much is in there. Number 10. Oh gosh, I'm so excited. Okay, so this is a Peri Para. This is a velvet ink for your lips. These are phenomenal. I have these. I love these. They are so, so good. If you are not familiar with these, you need to get familiar. Oh, here's the first lip item, and it's like a tint. It just dries to a beautiful tint. This one's a little more moussey. I'll put it right here. It's a gorgeous fall color. Yes. This is a Bonjour Mugwort Cream Calming Mask. And let's see here. Ooh. I think this is really great for skin that has broken out and maybe is a little bit stronger. It's got a couple bit of granules in it, not like scrub, but just maybe like some clay Oh, green tea leaves, that's what's in there. So if you have a stronger skin, a skin prone to breakouts, that is really cool. Alrighty, number 12. This is Choco Brown. This is a Luxe Gel Liner from, I think the brand is called like Riri, and the color says number 3. These are always phenomenal. They have such good long wear. It is, you can twist it. Let's do a little right here. Oh yeah, perfect, perfect. This is a Marine Care Eye Cream. Ooh, Total Eye Care Cream, brightening and anti-wrinkle. This is that the brand? Total Hamish. Hamish? I love Hamish. This comes with a metallic wand. Oh, this looks fabulous. It's got marine water. Yes, I am wearing. Oh, that's so cooling. Just, oh my gosh, it actually looks pretty good right over the top of my concealer. My mom will be like, can I have that? 14. After shampooing, dry off with towel and apply to whole damaged parts of your hair. Oh, fun. This is a hair product. Look what a cute label that is. Okay. So it is a collagen coating protein ion injection hair cream. 15. Okay. 15. Ooh. Oh, thank you. I'm so excited. This is Twinkle and Pop. This is a glittering eye stick. So basically shadow crayon. Love how small this is almost more of a finer crayon. And yes, it does have a bit of sparkle, but it's really pretty. And because of the size, you can really dedicate where you're applying it. Oh, that is cute. Okay, now I might have gone too far with glitter in my eyebrows. I got excited. 16. These are from Purito. These are Cica. These are patches. So you can use these for acne. You can use them for even rosacea breakouts. I have used them on, there's 51 patches in different shapes, or sorry, all circles, but different sizes. But they're soothing, they help to, they're anti-scar, soothing acne, they prevent infection, and they provide invisible cover if you want to wear them just out and about. Oh, I love these. 17, we have Oligo Hyaluronic Acid Boosting Ampoule. This is from The Lab, is the brand. Bonjour. This looks exciting. I say that all the time, don't I? Wow, so it is straight up hyaluronic acid in an ampule. No scent. It's got a very viscous texture, which always gets me excited. Viscous textures get me excited. 18, we have retinol cream for wrinkle care. The brand is Bellflower. This cream can help to make wrinkle care by retinol. Innovative and trustworthy. Made in Korea. Ooh. Ooh, I don't think that has a smell. So that's great. Okay. Number 18. Okay, number 19. Ooh, it's a big one. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. So this is called Gold and Snail. These are Snail Museum under eye patches. I love how it's all sealed up. It's like safety sealed. The brand is Petit Fait. I think there are 60 patches in here. Snail Museum is phenomenal. It really, really is. If you haven't tried it, you need to try it. COSRX, like I mentioned before, makes an awesome Snail Museum. So here they are. I don't know if there's a scent, or it's very fresh, but maybe just light. 20, Salmon Dark Circle Concealer Cream. This looks just so different and interesting. This is such a vintage kind of feel to it. So it is basically a color corrector pot for your under eye area. I'm excited about that. That's the shade right there. It's pretty great. There's a ton in here. 21. Prem. Okay, so this is a vegan sunscreen, SPF 50. Light daily sun formulated with 73% moisture essence gives a powerful UV protection without greasiness. Let's see. Oh yeah, it blends right in. I can't, you know what? I think I had some other lotion on that, so I don't know if it's scented or not. Sorry. 22. Wrapping it up. This is activated niacinamide to help correct dark spots. This is a brand called Axis, and it is a glow serum. 5% niacinamide. Also, rice bran and papaya. It's a nice gel. Ooh, 23. Ooh, it's a big one. Hyaluronic Acid Watery Sun Gel. This is from, is this from Innisfree? Isn't? This is SPF 50 Water Sun Gel. These are so good. Full size, of course. This has a, ooh, it contains 8 types of hyaluronic acid, and it promises no white cast. Yes, it's very clear. Also very like, ooh, it has a very nice luminosity to it. Number 24. Oh my gosh. Best for last. Best for last. This is Beauty of Joseon. This is their Relief Sun Rice and Probiotics. This is SPF 50. Penny Smith Skincare loves this SPF, and I believe Angie Hot and Flashy loves this SPF. This is so exciting because I've been wanting to try it, and it is a very, very good sunscreen, SPF 50. Let's give her a whirl. It has just, I mean, nope, not really a white cast at all. But yeah, Angie Hot and Flashy loves that. This was so good. This is $209. You're paying less than $10 per product in here. So it's an incredible value. There are a limited number of advent calendars. If this is something you think would be awesome for you, do not hesitate. And thank you again, Stylevana, for sending this to me. And my mom thanks you. Look at this. Do you see these lip inks? Phenomenal. But Alrighty, so thank you so much for watching. I hope this was fun. Follow all the links below in the description box, and I hope you can subscribe if you haven't yet, and take care. I'll see you next time. Bye.